Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are good. If you're new, I am Brother Louise. Those who don't know, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. So in today's video is sponsored by UNICE Hair. UNICE Hair was kind enough to send me a 12-inch glueless wig, and this is a 6x4 wig. You guys, you don't need any glue or any other thing to install this wig. You guys, this is more like a grab and go wig that you'll need on a daily. So yeah, without me wasting any of your time, let's get straight into today's video. So before we start today's video, I want to show you guys their nice packaging. All the wigs come in this nice box, you guys, that is actually branded UNICE Hair, as you guys can actually see on the screen. And one thing I really did like about this box, you guys, was when you guys are actually opening this box. Like, come on, UNICE Hair actually did something when it came to this box. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all the things that actually comes with the actual wig. Let's get straight into the actual wig, you guys. So as I mentioned, this is a 6x4 12-inch bob wig, and the lace, baby. Oh, so this is the actual wig, you guys, and this is how it actually looks at the front. I really do like the closure of this wig, you guys. And it has two combs from the sides, one from the left side, as you guys can see, and one from the right side. And it also has this adjustable strap that you can actually adjust your wig if you feel like the wig is kind of like big on you, so you can just adjust it with this adjustable strap. And it also comes with this back comb to secure your wig at the back. And it also has this thingy, I don't know what it's called, but this thing that also does hold your wig as well. And yeah, like the quality of this wig is so amazing. Hey besties, so I decided to use my compact powder to tint the lace of this wig. I realized right through this video that it actually didn't match my skin. It was kind of light, so I decided to use my powder foundation to tint the lace of this wig. I'm really not good at tinting laces, you guys. I find this step very easy, and especially for someone that's a beginner, this step is very easy for you to actually try. And yeah, most of the steps that I'm actually doing in this video, you guys, are so explanatory. So I'll go ahead and use my wig stick to tame away the flyaways on this wig. I really like this product, you guys, especially on this wig. You guys can actually see how it actually looks at the hairline of this wig. It actually makes it looks like it's my natural hair. And then I'll go ahead and use my hot comb to make sure that the product has melted in my skin. I don't like it when the product looks so whitish on my lace. But yeah, overall you guys can actually see all that I'm actually doing in the video. Then I'll go ahead and lay the wig, obviously, just so it can melt. I really like the quality of this wig, you guys. You guys will actually see when I straighten the hair. My tea was very cold here, you guys. I totally forgot that I actually made tea in the morning. But yeah, overall you guys will actually see how the wig looks. The quality, so amazing. It's a 10 out of 10 for me, you guys. I really do recommend this wig to you guys. It's the best qualities, and if you guys want to shop the wig, make sure you guys also do check my description box, as you guys can actually see how the quality looks like. I'm so surprised of how amazing the quality is. UNICE Hair actually don't play when it comes to quality hair. My
favorite product, you guys, to tame away the flyaways. The actual smell of this product, you guys, is so amazing, and the quality of this wig, once again, is a 10 out of 10. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say that, but yeah, I actually do like the actual wig, you guys. You guys can actually see how it actually looks with the whole comb as well. It actually is good quality. So I'm gonna say again, make sure you guys do check my description box to actually buy the actual wig, because it's a 10 out of 10 for me. Using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer to define the middle part of my wig, and I'll also use my edge brush to make sure that the concealer is not too much on the middle part. But yeah, overall, you guys can actually see how the wig looks, and I'll also use my press powder to tame away any lines on the wig. But yeah, overall, this is how the wig actually looks, you guys. So I decided to do the shake method just so you guys can actually see that you don't actually need glue. The wig doesn't actually move. Overall, I really like how this hair actually turned out, and I hope you guys also did like how I actually did a very quick install on this hair.
So that's the end of this install, you guys, and I really hope you guys really enjoyed this quick install. If you guys want to purchase this wig, make sure you guys do check my description box, and also check other wigs that UNICE Hair also has on their website. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah!